In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Tradovate to TradeZella. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Add Trade button at the top left inside your dashboard, and then here you have to click on Add New Account. Now from here, you want to find Tradovate. For me, it's down here already. If it's not for you too, you can just go and type in Tradovate and just basically find it like this, and then click on it. Now, when you've clicked on it, click Continue. And then here you have three different options to connect. Now, you could either auto sync, which basically will connect your broker directly. So we can just click on that, click on continue. And then here it's going to basically ask you for the start date and then the type of your account. So I can go ahead and just, I'm going to select a date over here, which is today. And then I'm going to do a demo account here. I'm going to press connect. And it's going to open up a separate window here where basically it's going to prompt me to actually sign in with Tradovate. Now, to do this, just type in your username and password, press login, or of course sign in with your Google or Apple account in case that's the sign up method you used. Now, when you do that, it's going to connect your Tradovate to your TradeZella. However, if you don't want to do this, you could also do this manually. So if you go back in here, Tradovate, you'll be able to either file upload, which will basically allow you to upload files. So select the time zone, and then you'll have to basically upload the file, which will allow you to kind of connect Tradovate through that. And then, of course, you can journal your trades with that. Or you could also add manually, press continue. And in here, you can select the type you are actually trading, like crypto. And if I look for example, Bitcoin, there we go, Bitcoin USD. You can go and create a new execution, type in your details. I'm just going to type in something completely random over here. And you can go ahead and set the price, set the whatever here, and click on Save Trade. And that way you can also basically connect Tradovate to TradeZella. However, of course, the best way is to just actually connect the broker itself by clicking the first option I showed you and actually connecting it so it auto syncs. Now, that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.